everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing 3 looks using one palette, and that palette is of course the James Charles Morphe palette. I got this as a sister surprise for Christmas. My boyfriend bought it for me. I had no idea. And so this is what the palette, I'm sure you've all seen it. This is what the palette looks like here. I love, 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 love the black and then just the writing on it. And then this is what the inside looks like. I think it is just a beautiful palette, and obviously you can get a lot of looks out of it. So these are 3 that I came up with. I didn't want to do just like normal ones. I wanted to do really colorful ones, so a little bit different from someone always has to interrupt me. Wow. A little bit different from usual. Really hope you enjoyed this video, so let's get into it. Okay, so you're all zoomed in nice and close, so let's get started with look number 1. First off, I'm just going to be taking some tape right here, about there. Then I'm going to prime my lid. I just like taking concealer. I think it works exactly the same. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain. I'm not taking too much, I'm just spreading it around there. I'm blending that in. Okay, then we're going to take the palette. The first shade I'm taking is Pinch Me, which is this shade right here. And I'm not setting it down, so I'm just going to go straight in with that color right into the crease as a transition. Then the next shade I'm going to be taking is this one right here, which is like a bit of a greeny toned brown, I would say. So this is called Tea, and I'm just going to take that but focus it more on the outer corner and blend it in. Alright, so the next shade I'm going to be taking is the star of the show. So I'm going to be taking this green right here, and this one's called Daddy. Then I'm just going to take this all through the crease. And as you can tell, like that, I was really, really shocked when I did this side. Like, this is such a pigmented color. I took a lot first and I was like, oh my god, I didn't realize how pigmented this was. Wow. Then I'm going to take that same brush we just used for Tea, and I'm just going to use that to blend it through. I just really love how pigmented that green is, because it really takes a lot of the time out of it, because you don't really have to build it up. Then I'm going to take my NYX Wonder Stick. This is just like a highlighter and contour stick, but I don't use it for that. And I'm just going to take this and cut my crease. Then I'm going to go in with the shimmery green right here, which is called Guac, very fitting. And then I'm just going to pack this all over where we just cut that out, and then also on the side a little bit here just to blend it in. So because that has like little shimmers of gold in it, I'm going to go back in, well not back in, I'm going to go back up here and take this shade right here, which is called, oh there it is, this one right here, which is called Wig. And this is kind of like a greeny gold. It's not, it's actually really lovely. Okay, and then I'm just going to pop that in the middle and focusing it more towards my outer corner. Then I'm going to take, oh gosh, the shade So Good, which is this one here, which is like the lightest champagne color that's not too white. And then I'm just going to take that right in the middle of my lid. Then to finish it off, I'm just going to be taking a really, really nice like pearl shade right here. Really nice, beautiful highlight color. And that's called Ring Light. So I'm just going to pop that right in my inner corner. I'm going to line my upper lash line with my Essence Superfine Eyeliner Pen in black. Oh. And then I'm just going to take my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in black also, just to do a little wing. So I have no idea what my camera just recorded, but I ended up doing the rest. So I've just done some winged black eyeliner, popped some lashes on, and then for the underneath I've just followed exactly as the top. So I just have T and then followed by, is it Daddy? The brown one? Yeah, the brown one. So I have T, then Daddy, and then I just blended it out using the same brush we used for our transition, and that's it. This little Poison Ivy style look. Alright, on to the next one. Okay, look number 2, we're going to start off by priming the eyelids, of course. Okay, so starting off, I'm not going to set the base down in any of these looks, so we're going to go back in with this transition shade right here, which is Punch Me. I don't know if I even said that last time. Maybe, I don't know, I don't remember. I'm just going to go straight in with that. Even though you can't really even probably tell that this is underneath, I don't know, it gives me a guideline and I like that. I feel like just plopping blue down first is very intimidating. We're going to go in with this stunning blue right here, which is called Playground. I'm just going to like lightly feather it off at the end. Then I'm going to take this like navy blue right here. It's the darkest blue in the palette, and this is called Acapella. So I'm just going to take that and we're going to pop this right on the outer corner and blend it through the crease. And then I'm going to go and use that same blue that we used at the start to blend that out. Then I'm just going to take that same concealer we used to cut the crease before and cut that crease again. Then I'm just going to go in with this big white shade right here, which is called a Flashback, and I'm just going to pop that all over where we just put the concealer. White always looks really, really good, but the process is really tedious. Okay, once you're satisfied with the white coverage, I'm just going to go back in with Acapella and pop that on the white as well, just to really create a gradient and also some definition. Then just going back in with some black liquid eyeliner. I'm not doing a wing, I'm just lining it. Then just some mascara and some falsies. Okay, so I've just popped some lashes on and then I've done the underneath. So all I did for the underneath was take the same brush with no extra product on it that we used for the main blue, which was Playground. And then for Acapella, I just took it on actually just a little eyeliner, an angled eyeliner brush, and just ran it under my little lash line and then just smudged out a little bit. Then I'm just going to finish off by taking ring light again and popping that in my inner corner. So highlight, and then that's it. I really like this blue. I think it looks cool. Yeah, that's it for look 2. On to look 3. And finally, the third look. I think this one is probably one of my favorites because I'm just a massive pink fan. So I popped on this fuchsia pink top just to get in the vibe. Okay, so obviously I've started out by priming my eyelid and blending it in. I apologize if I'm not talking that much. I just feel like it's easier to show you rather than tell you, obviously. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go in with is this really, really nice blushy shade right here called Mary. So we're going to go in with that. And this is actually a lot more pigmented than what I thought it was going to be. So I'm pretty happy with that, and I don't know why I applied that so badly. So I'm just going to do it like this and then blend out the edges. I'm kind of going for like a clean, not a soft edge, but like also not a harsh, so like somewhere in the middle. Don't even know what I'm going on about, to be honest. Then we're going to go in with literally, this is probably my favorite shade in the whole palette. This beautiful, I need to be on the side, beautiful fuchsia. This one right here. So I'm going to pop that on. We're going to go straight in with it. It is just, look at it on the brush. Like, wow. I'm just kind of going to put that where we just put the transition. We won't blend it as high, but we will blend them together. Oh, what a stunning color. And then taking that same brush we used for the transition just to blend the edges out. Then I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease again. Now that the crease is cut, we're going to go in with this beautiful light blue shade here. It's a shimmer shade and it's called Hello. And this one, I just love the color. It did not take me any time at all to build it up. So I appreciate that. And we're just gonna take, oh gosh, the shade right here. It's kind of like a pinky plum. And I'm just gonna lightly take that. It's called Love That, and I do love that. I'm just gonna lightly take that right there. Then we're just gonna go in with, oh gosh, this beautiful dark purple right here, which is called Escape. And I'm gonna go right in, and this is gonna be like the main definition. I'm not gonna take it like any higher, but just create a little wing and get that definition. Then I'm just gonna take more of that blue. Actually, I'm not gonna take any more of it, but I'm just gonna tap that on top to kind of like blend the two together. Don't want harsh lines. Then I'm taking my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner again. And I'm just going to line the upper lash line. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pop some falsies on. Okay, then just to finish off, I'm going to take that pink again. Run that under my little lash line, the really vibrant fuchsia pink. And then I'm just going to take no extra product of that purple and just put that under there. And that is it for look 3. And that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see any other palettes, like 3 looks using one palette. I really love this palette. I think it pretty much has everything you need in it. Like, and not just saying that, like, and it's got, what is it? It has 7 like much larger pants in it, as you can, I'm sure everyone's seen it, but it has all these ones here which are a lot bigger too, so it can be used for your face as well. And I think this is just a really good palette. It's got a lot of variation in it, and I feel like you can just about do any look with it. So I think that's really good. I think it was pretty easy getting 3 looks out of this palette. I would recommend getting it. I think it's really great, and why not? It's fun. It's a fun palette. But yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you haven't already, and hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!